It's very hot.
Oh, it's very hot.
It's too basic English.
Let's learn some advanced English.
Let's start. There are many alternative ways to say
It's very hot.
let's learn. We can say it's very hot in different ways. Let's learn.
It's scorching.
It's scorching.
It's boiling.
It's boiling.
It's burning up.
It's burning up.
It's sizzling.
It's sizzling.
It's roasting.
It's roasting.
It's blazing.
It's blazing.
It's sweltering.
Yes, you are right. It's sweltering.
It's sweltering. Jalabo.
হ্যাঁ
It's burning up.
হ্যাঁ এখন বলো
It's burning up.
আমার দিকে তাকায় বলো আচ্ছা বলো
It's burning up.
It's boiling. It's boiling.